Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got another TV unboxing for you. This time it's the Samsung Q70T series. We've got the 65-inch here. We're going to open it up, show you guys what accessories come with it, and let you have a first look at the picture on this one. So stay tuned. Now we're on the back of the TV, and this is where all your inputs and outputs are going to be located, and they're all facing off to the side, which is good to see. So up at the top you have two USB inputs, and right under that is an optical audio output. And then under that is HDMI number 4, which is your gaming input. That's going to allow you to use variable refresh rates like G-Sync and FreeSync, as well as an auto low latency mode. So we're seeing some HDMI 2.1 features on that input. Right under that is HDMI number 3, which is also an enhanced audio return channel, and then two more HDMI inputs under that, so a total of 4 there. Underneath that, you've got a network connection, a RS-232 input, and then we have an antenna input all the way at the bottom. Here we have all the accessories that come in the box, and there's really no surprises here. A couple of pieces of paperwork. Then we've got the slightly updated Samsung remote with the Samsung TV Plus button, some batteries right underneath that, a power cord, some cable management clips for those pedestal feet, and the pedestal feet are right next to those. Okay, so we've got our first picture up on the Q70T here, and so far so good. It's nice and bright, very colorful here, as you can expect from a QLED TV. It does have wide angle technology built in. It's not quite to the same level as the Q80T, but you do get a slightly better picture off angle on this one, which is good to see. This one is still edge lit, so it has some micro dimming. It's got their Supreme UHD dimming built in, which does work well. Not quite as effective as full array local dimming, obviously, but it still does a decent job doing what it's supposed to do in enhancing the colors and the brightness. So it's a good looking picture so far. We'll go through the menus here to kind of show you guys what this comes with, and everything should look very familiar. We've got our list of apps there running across the screen. We've got some extra content underneath here that you can see. And then as we go across, we'll take a look at our quick settings here. So we've got intelligent mode set to off, standard picture mode, we'll go through those. We've got natural, movie, and dynamic, so we'll put that on natural for now. And then sound mode, we've got standard or amplify, TV speaker for sound output, we've got optical or TV speaker as options there. We do have a game mode on this one that we can turn on and off, captions, sleep timer, showing us that we're connected to a network. We can set the color tone, warm 1, warm 2, or cool. We're gonna leave it on standard for now. And then picture clarity, we've got it comes from the factory set to auto. You can also choose to customize it and adjust some of the numbers that way to kind of make the motion work the way you want it to, whether you like having that soap opera effect or not. I prefer personally having it off, but we'll leave it on auto for right now. And then we've got the auto digital output audio format, and then device care, and then we can go to all settings from there. This is actually a nice feature because you can choose all settings once you run through all of these quick settings up above, or you can use the settings button over here. It's just a quicker way to get to it. So really nothing out of the ordinary here, but all looks good so far. So far everything looks pretty good. We've got a really nice picture on this, and we've got some HDMI inputs that have some features that you're going to find on HDMI 2.1, things like variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and you get an eARC on this one as well. So some really nice things that come with the Q70T right out of the box. The only thing it's really missing is full array dimming. But otherwise, we're going to have a more comprehensive review on this coming up, so make sure if you're not already subscribed that you subscribe so you can get that update as soon as we post the content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.